Hello friends, good morning. My name is Shubham Gudiwal and as my today's topic is string. String which are widely used in Java programming are a sequence of characters in Java programming language. String are treated as object. The Java platform provide the string class to create and manipulate string. Creating string, the most directly way to create a string is to write string greeting hello world. Okay. Whenever it in encounters a string literally in your code, the compiler creates a string object with its value, in this case hello world. As with any other object, you can create string object by using the new keyword and a constructor. The string classes has equals to constructors that allow you to provide the initial value of the string using different source such as an array of characters. This will provide the following result: output hello. Note: the string class is immutable, so that once it is create a string object and cannot be changed. If there is a necessity to make a lot of modifications to string of characters, then you should use buffer and string builder chases. String length methods used to obtain informations about an object are known as accessor methods. On accessor methods that you can use with string is the length method, which return the number of characters can contained in the string object. The following program is an example of length method string class. Concatenation string. The string class include a method for concatenating two string concat and string 2. This is example of string concatenation. This return a new string, that string 1 with string 2 added to it at the end. You can also use the concat method with string literals as in my name is concat Zara. String are more commonly contained with the plus operator as in hello plus world, which result in hello world. Let us look at the creating format string. You have print and format methods to print output with formatted numbers. The string class has an equivalent class method format that returns a string object rather than a print string object. Using strings static format method allow you to create a formatted string that you can reuse as offset to a one-time print statement. For example, instead of okay, string methods is more here is the list of methods supported by string class. First one is char at int index resume the character as the specified index. Second one is int compare to object or compares the string to another object. Third one is it compared to string another string compares to string lexicography. Fourth one is int compare topological case string str compares to string lexicography ignore case difference. Fifth one is string concat string str concatenations the specifier string to the end of the string. Sixth one is boolean content equals string buffer sb return true if and only if this string represents the same sequence of characters as the specified string of buffer. 7 string static string copy value of char data return a string that represents the character sequence in the array specified. 8 one is 8 static string copy value of char data int offset int count return a string that represents the character sequence in the array specified. And one boolean end with string suffix text of the string end with the specified suffix. 10 boolean equals object and objects compares this string to the specified object. 11 is boolean equal ignore case string another string compares this string to another string ignoring case considerations. 12 byte get bytes encodes this string into a sequence of bytes using the platform the difficult character set strong the result into a new byte array. Third one is byte get byte string character name in encodes this string into a sequence of byte using the named character set store the result into a new byte array. Okay. Fourth one is void get char in series begin in search and char dist in dist begin copies characters from this string into a description characters array. 15th one is 15 int hash code return a hash code for this string. 16 it index of int ch return the index within this string of the first occurrence of the specified characters. 17 in index of int ch int format index return the index within this string of the first occurrence of the specified character string the search at the specified index. 18 is int index of string str return the index within this string of the first occurrence of the specified substring. 19 int index of string str it formal index returns of the index within this string of the first occurrence of the specified substring starting at the specified index. 20 string enter returns and consequential representations for the string object. 21. Int last index of int ch return the index within this string, the occurrence of the specified characters. 21. Int index of int ch in formal index, return the index within this string of the last occurrence of the specified character searching backward string at the specified index. So thank you.